Do you know that a simple shift in your dietary habits could combat common health issues? Well, the answer might be sitting right in your fruit basket. Enter the kiwi, a small fruit that packs a big punch when it comes to health benefits. First on the list, kiwi is a powerhouse of vitamin C. In fact, it contains more vitamin C than an equivalent amount of oranges. This essential vitamin boosts the immune system, helping the body ward off diseases and infections. Secondly, kiwi is rich in dietary fiber, supporting digestion and maintaining a healthy gut. Regular consumption of kiwi can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Next, this fruit is a good source of antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants protect the body from harmful free radicals and contribute to eye health, potentially reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Fourth, kiwi is a heart-friendly fruit. It contains potassium, which helps in regulating blood pressure levels. Also, it's high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting. Moreover, kiwi is low in calories but high in essential nutrients, making it an excellent addition to any weight management plan. Lastly, the high levels of serotonin in kiwi can improve sleep quality. Serotonin is a chemical that helps regulate the sleep cycle, thus, munching on a kiwi before bed could lead to a more restful night's sleep. To recap, the humble kiwi offers a plethora of health benefits. From boosting the immune system with its high vitamin C content, aiding digestion with its rich fiber, protecting the eyes with its antioxidants, to supporting heart health with its potassium and vitamin K content. Add to that its role in weight management and sleep regulation, and it's clear that the kiwi is a true superfruit. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, consider the kiwi. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a simple and effective way to boost your overall health. After all, taking care of one's health should always be a priority, and with the kiwi, it's as easy as peeling back the skin and taking a bite.